Welcome back to Behind the Sound. But today not really about sound, but about something related to the sound. So today, if lucky, we got Howie in. Howie carries Quattron. This battery is not some normal battery. It's something powerful. Let me ask Howie. Apa ini Howie? What is this? Share me a bit.
Alright, Yan. Quattron battery is actually a lithium iron phosphate battery, so we call it LiFePo4. So LiFePo4 is actually the current technology for all the high-end performance battery. If you ever see in the EV cars, they are all using LiFePo4 now because of its safety, lightweight, and also high power.
Oh, EV is using this LiFePo thing.
Yes, most of the EV are now changing to LiFePo.
I see. That's good. So, okay. What car? I mean, not just for normal car, right? I think this is quite high-end product, right? So, used for what? Audio? Performance?
Yes, our initial plan is to help people with electrical issues. Like Quattron battery, we can use for normal cars, you can use for performance cars, you can use for car with car audio modifications, and also you can use for car shows. And of course, we also have racing cars and also classic cars that we're using it.
Wow. If talk about, we talk a few categories, we talk about performances. I'm more the audio guy, but I want to listen. Maybe my MX-5 also want to drop it in. But I heard this one got auto jump start.
Yeah, as you can see from here, there's a button.
Ooh.
So normally, most of the LiFePo4 battery will just shut down when the power is low. So from our battery, we invented something called self-jump start button. Once you press the button, it will wake up and you can start your car immediately. So there's no need for jump start. There's no need to bridge the cables from another car.
No need old school, yeah.
No.
Okay, if performance, how it helps?
Okay, the first thing is that you can see from this battery cell, normal cell is only 35 ampere per hour. So this is actually 55 ampere per hour. Although it's very lightweight and very small.
Lightweight, huh?
Yep.
Wow, all the performance cars paling suka loh.
Yes.
Satu jari. Ini jari pun boleh. Not bad, Very, very light. Oh.
Yes. It's the lightest in the market right now for the 55 ampere hours capacity. Yep.
So, for performance, weight reduction, no?
Yes. You can buy a 3000 carbon hood, or you can change to a battery that gives you more engine power also. So you can compare.
Okay. Top bad audio lah. So, how it helps audio lah?
Okay, with Quattron battery is very high CCA. So as you know, okay, the audio that draw the power is not constantly. It's not like headlights. You keep the headlights on, then it draw constantly. But for car audio, because the music only hits in when there is music notes coming. So high CCA ensure that the current flow is on time. And of course, with the 1002 RCA, and of course with the 1000 CCA, it's almost triple higher than a normal battery. So when you have more power, how do you think your system can sound? Of course,
More
it will
stable.
be fast,
Stable,
transient, higher headroom.
True,
So basically, you can crank louder.
my favorite lah, crank louder. Okay, so actually, how old is this product here already?
We have been here for 4 years.
4 years already. I think the time you launched, I see quite a lot of people install also from a lot of audio freaks.
Yep.
But now also towards performance. If we talk about audio freaks, got people win before or not using your product?
If you see the result from MI Asia 2025, all the Malaysian winners are using our batteries.
Then I must change on. I never get champion before. Eh?
You should.
Then
Higher
I think I
chances.
changed it. I got higher chances. Okay lah, Hui. Since this product is really meant for, I mean, we want to share this product to everyone because performance or audio, you know, there's something this in the market that not many people also know. Because Malaysia is quite niche compared to Indonesia, other bigger countries, you know. So if you want to look for Quattron, you look for Hui. Hui is EA Auto Works. Okay, at Bukit Jalil. I go search him in Google. You'll see at the end of the link, I'll share some photos. All right. Thanks, Hui.
Thank you.
Thank you for your champion.